Welcome to Metrixon, your AI-powered tool for smart product bundling. To get started, visit app.metrixon.io and click Sign Up. You can sign up with Google by selecting your account and approving access. After signing up, you'll be asked to complete a short onboarding form to set up your organization. First, enter your organization name. This is how your workspace will be labeled inside Metrixon. Next, add your domain, which is your store's base URL, like your Shopify store address. This is used for future integrations and syncing. Once everything is filled out, click Complete Onboarding to continue to your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. You'll see two sections: Orders, where you can upload or view your store's orders, and Bundles, where AI shows your top product combinations. Your account is now ready. Next, let's import your orders and view your bundles. Let's see how to connect your Shopify store to Metrixon. This allows you to sync both historical and new orders automatically. No more manual uploads. To get started, go to your dashboard and open the Channels section. Click the Connect button under the Shopify integration. You'll be redirected to the domain you provided during onboarding. There, you'll see the Metrixon app installation screen on Shopify. Click Install to authorize the connection. Once installed, you'll be sent back to the Metrixon dashboard. From this point, Metrixon starts syncing your past orders in the background. You can view them anytime under the Orders section. Our AI immediately begins analyzing your data. Soon, your top bundle suggestions will appear based on real customer behavior. Once your orders are uploaded or synced, Metrixon automatically analyzes the data and shows your top product bundle suggestions. Each row in this table represents a unique combination of products your customers often buy together. The Products column lists the items in the bundle. The Scores column breaks down key performance signals, like how often these products are bought together and how much revenue they help generate. The Total Score combines those signals into a single value, helping you quickly spot the highest potential bundles. In the Discount column, you'll see a suggested promotion type, such as a percentage or fixed discount, based on how profitable the bundle is. And finally, the Reasons column explains why each bundle was picked, using clear insights like frequently bought together, above AOV, or top sellers. These columns together help you decide which bundles to promote with confidence. These bundles aren't just random suggestions. They're generated using AI and machine learning, combined with rule-based checks to ensure profitability and practicality. That means you're only seeing bundle ideas that are statistically strong, commonly purchased, and financially safe to promote. It's a smart shortcut to higher value sales without the trial and error. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or questions, don't hesitate to reach out.